From cheerleading, dance, soccer, and volleyball, if you're coming to Disney anytime soon, you might be here during a competition weekend. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do Disney when there are large crowds. As experienced cheer parents ourselves, we're going to show you how to use your time wisely. A lot of times you come for these cheer weekends, you don't have a lot of time in the park, so we're going to show you what park we would start in, where we would finish, and how we would choose to spend our time.
Don't forget about the karate competitions. Whoa! Sorry.
So if we were coming to Disney for a competition of any kind, we would just start at Hollywood Studios. It's the best park to come to, in our opinion. So we're going to show you what we would do with limited time, and then we would hop over to Magic Kingdom to end the night.
But today we may not be able to do that because you see that cloud up there, and there's more to come. Looks like it's going to rain. Wind,
So with all of that information, we will make a decision as we go along. It's about 5 o'clock, and I'm going to say that's pretty standard if you're at a competition. Sometimes you can't get here till 4 or 5 o'clock. You only have a few hours. So again, we're going to show you what we would do if we were here with our daughter for competition weekend.
Let's do this. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell notification if you can. Hit a thumbs up if you like the video. Even if you don't like it, just do that anyway.
Just do it anyway. Okay, so we're already starting off to either a really good start or a really bad start.
Time-wise, bad.
Yeah. So normally I would say don't stop to meet characters if you're here for a competition, or just only have a few hours in the parks. But when you see like the dwarves or Pinocchio and Geppetto, I don't care. You gotta stop because those are rare characters. You hardly ever see them out. So we did take the time to do that. And now we gotta run to our first ride.
Run?
Walk fast. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is get Genie Plus. Even if it's only for 5 or 6 hours, it's going to be worth it, even if you only get on 1 or 2 rides. So what we're doing is we have a lightning lane for Rise of the Resistance, but in the meantime, we're going to go do the standby line for Mickey and Minnie so that we get 2 rides knocked out probably within the first hour of us being here.
Oh. Hi, Goofy! Well, beautiful day for a picnic. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Hey, Vision Man. You're the good our friend. Wait, what the fuck would go on?
We just got off Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. That was about a 40-minute wait in the standby line, but that's perfect because we have about 10 minutes to get over to Rise of the Resistance, and that's 2 rides done in an hour. We're making good time considering that we stopped to meet Pinocchio and the dwarves and all that stuff.
So we're in Star Wars, and this tree right here, see how green it is? It's abnormal. It comes from Africa or somewhere, some other country, continent, who knows. But they bring in a bunch of different plants that are all freakishly looking just to decorate Star Wars.
To make it look like it's from another galaxy. We made our way over to Rise of the Resistance. We have about 5 or 10 minutes left before our lightning lane. Typically you can scan in about 5 minutes early, so we're gonna go ride that right now.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on.
Get those are the prisoners!
Out. worked anyway. These skate parts just move away. Take the woods down. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Just got off Rise of the Resistance, and in plenty of time is gonna head over to our next park and finish out the day. It's about 10 minutes till 7, head over to Magic Kingdom. We're gonna see how long it would take us to get over there, and then ride a few rides over there, because the idea is to get as much done in both parks as possible with having limited time.
Watch fireworks. Because Princess over here wants to watch fireworks. That's my little princess. She's a little proud.
You would do it a different way, so you want to let them know how you
I would
do it?
stay here till the park closed. And then once the park closed, I would zip over, take a Lyft or an Uber over to Contemporary. I'd walk across the street to get into Magic Kingdom because it's faster than taking the monorail system or the ferry. And then when I left for the day, I would do the same thing. I would leave Magic Kingdom, I would run over to Contemporary, order an Uber or Lyft, and then I would take it back to my hotel. That's what I would do.
Okay guys, we made it to Magic Kingdom with 10 minutes to spare. Fireworks are in 10 minutes. So if you're doing Disney, which is a little bit of time, you can definitely make it happen. But my biggest tip is watch a little bit of the fireworks, go ride some rides. The best time to ride rides is during fireworks. Okay, if you are gonna stay to watch the fireworks, behind me, this area right here, anywhere right here is a good spot to be because there are going to be projections on this part of Main Street, and it's just nice. Okay, so fireworks have started. We caught a few minutes of that, but now is the best time to go ride some rides. We're going to head over and ride Pirates of the Caribbean, and then we have a lightning lane later for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
That's a lot of L's. Say that 10 times fast.
I couldn't even say it one time slow.
They need a bit of persuasion, mateys. Fire at will!
And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it. Nor this here King Bee.
We just got off of Pirates, so we're gonna see what else we can do. We made it over here to Seven Dwarfs just in time for our lightning lane, so we're gonna go ride that right now, and that might be it for tonight. We'll see.
My back is killing me. It's a lot of walking.
We just got off Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I don't think I've ever rode it at night. It's a different experience.
I thought it was gonna be rough, but like right when you think it's gonna be rough, it swings. It swings like this, and then it gets you into the groove because then they start singing. Hi-ho. See how many jewels were in those rocks? I wish I could find me a cave with all them jewels. Rich.
Okay, that's going to be it for us tonight at Magic Kingdom. Thank you for hanging out with us as we went to Hollywood Studios and then hopped over here to Magic Kingdom. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things Disney.
Hit that bell notification.
Until next time.
Thumbs up.